Hello everyone. Crosshair is one of the most important components in PUBG Mobile. So it is very important to learn to use it effectively. Let us try to understand. Crosshair is placed exactly at the center of the display. We can divide the display equally into 4 parts, locating the crosshair at the center. Now let us relate our player with the crosshair. Our player is placed to the left of the crosshair. When it comes to the close range fight, this has a great significant effect. We will discuss this later. Before getting into detail, let's see the two important usage of crosshair. First is, whenever we fire our bullets, the bullets hits at the place where the crosshair is located. Secondly, our scope opens at the place exactly where the crosshair is located. Hence, having good control over the crosshair is very important. How to get a good control over the crosshair? To get a good control on your crosshair, we have to master our sensitivity setting, the third person no scope. The crosshair is moved by swiping the right side of the screen. So set your third person no scope appropriately to your convenience so that you will have a good control over your crosshair. The common mistake we do while playing PUBG is most of the time we keep our focus on the player rather than the crosshair, but we should play focusing on the crosshair. In order to get our attention on the crosshair, we can do 3 things. We can daily change the color of the crosshair. Daily before getting into the game, go to your settings and then scope. By changing the color, our brain starts noticing the crosshair. And second way, you can place the I button on the center of the crosshair also to get your attention. Placing I button on the center gives you a good control on your crosshair, especially when it comes to the close range fight. And third way is, play PUBG Mobile in FPP mode. In FPP mode, you cannot see your player, all your focus will be on your crosshair. You will make all your moves with your crosshair and then change it to the TPP. Then you will notice that you are more focusing on your crosshair than the usual. Guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to all to get our videos updated. When it comes to close range fight, it is very important to know from which direction we are facing our enemy. If you are taking TPP, when we move right, we can notice that our crosshair moves out of the cover first and our player will stay in the cover. But if you are facing our enemy from the left side, our player will be first exposed rather than the crosshair. So this gives an advantage to the opponent. Since our player is first exposed, there is a great chance we may get fired. In our forthcoming videos, we will see how to handle these situations in detail. While using shotguns and snipers in close range, in TDM especially, always place a crosshair on the enemy and then fire. Because most of the time what we do is we keep randomly firing here and there. As we said, you should master your sensitivity to get a control on your crosshair. While pushing a house, look at your crosshair and move. Try to place your crosshair in all the possible places where the enemy can be. By tracing the crosshair on your way, whenever you face the enemy, he will be right in front of the crosshair, so you can fire him easily. If you are pushing a house, tree, compound in open places, place your crosshair where the enemy will pop up. Once he shows himself, you can fire him easily. Let's assume the enemy will show himself from this window. If we move towards him placing our crosshair randomly somewhere else, there is a great chance the enemy may kill us. Let us see an example. Here I know enemy is near these windows. My teammate is knocked out, so I am pushing him in open. You can notice I have placed the crosshair exactly where the enemies will pop up. Once he showed himself, I fired him. Whenever you are taking TPP or behind any obstacles, take a look at your crosshair. If you move very closer to any object, our crosshair will turn into this red mark. This way, you cannot open your scope properly, neither you can fire properly. So whenever you want to open your scope or fire, move back a little from the object and then open scope and fire. In this way, you can aim properly. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification to see more videos like this. Feel free to write on the comment box what topic you want me to cover. Till then, see you. Have a great day.